Uh, what's going on, guys? So here's a look at gold. Now, clearly, what we have seen here is a pretty bullish move to the upside, which ended in this retest here at around 18, well, almost 1820. This area here that we got rejected by a couple of times. If we draw here a bit of a bigger support resistance line. So as I said last time, um, we pulled lower as expected a bit, but then here we almost hit the 50 the EMA, but then after if we skip down we rallied all the way up. So here was the pullback and suddenly we start rallying in the 1 hour chart, the 4 hour chart as well. And we saw here a break above the previous highs at around 1800 to 18.5, and at the moment it looks like we are here at this retest area. So to me it looks like we will here see a pullback, maybe to retest here one of the area here around the 200 EMA, and then we could see a breakout. So at least for Monday, we should see in the early hours a pullback. If we go take a look to uh, 2008 and 2009, here we had this kind of triangle as well, and so we are here. We had it like once, twice, so kind of a retest 3 times. Now we are retesting it the second time, so it could be like we see a move as we did here and then pull back, or we are here somewhere but still see some kind of pullback. And actually what I would look out for then is, if you are planning to invest in gold for the longer run, since we could see a potential run up for the next 2 to 3 years as we did here in 2008, 2009. So we saw this breakout above the triangle and this support line and then a retest. And suddenly after the retest, I mean this took 4 months, the breakout and the retest. And then we saw a huge spike all the way up to 2011, 12, so like roughly 2 to 3 years after the breakout. So this is why initially it looks like this week we could see a small kind of pullback. So somewhere around here to maybe again the 50-day EMA, the 200-day EMA here somewhere around. And maybe we could see a breakout here, but at the moment I don't think it is that likely. We could of course see some kind of sideways movement, consolidation pattern here around, but if we manage to see a breakout, which could take, I mean we could still here pull lower once more and then suddenly see a breakout, and if we then see a retest here, then I would invest for the next couple of years to see a higher move. Since due to COVID, we saw a lot of printing in the US dollar. So potentially the next 1 to 2 years could be pretty bullish for gold. But as I said, I would here still wait for a breakout, which could, well, last for weeks or months. But for now, for Monday, I see here a pullback. So this was the, if you plan on scalping and shorting the market. This is what I would do for kind of a smaller time frame. So this was the analysis for gold.